Hey, how's it going, traders? In this video, I'm going to show you how I utilize my Stream Deck for day trading. You heard that right, my Stream Deck for day trading. I lost over $12,000 a few weeks ago using my hotkeys because my pinky was on my shift button, not my control button. So how do I differentiate by sell orders and everything like that? We're going to go into it right now. Catch you in the video. Alrighty, so I'm going to show you guys, I guess, the Stream Deck and all the orders in it. I'm going to show you how it works. Now, like I said, I lost $12,000 using hotkeys. Now, I don't want to say it was the hotkeys issue. It was just a manual issue. I was trying to get used to it. Before the hotkeys, I used a price ladder on Thinkorswim, but TOS is not a good platform for day trading momentum stocks. And then before that, I just used simple market orders, punching it with my mouse, and that was just as bad, if not worse. Now, how I got to here? Well, in about 5 years of day trading full time, I finally decided to buy a Stream Deck, and the reason is I've seen those trading pads, right, that has all those custom orders on it. You know, a lot of the hedge fund traders, all the hedge fund desks have them. If you've ever been to a trade station, a college I went to used to have a trading station that had them, and it looked like this, with all the custom buttons. I'm like, well, if I wanted a multi-purpose one, because I create content, I do stuff like that, maybe see if a Stream Deck works. And I'm going to show you how well it works here in a minute. Now, if I show you this real quick, I pop this out, and it looks just like this. Now, I can literally just pick this up, and when I trade, I hold it like this, or sometimes I'll hold it up, like right here, and so I can look at my chart and look at my orders at the same time. And the reason why I like this is it's so easy to, it's only one button. My hotkeys, shift 1 was buy 1,000, shift 4 is buy 1,000, control 4 is sell 1,000. So I was always trying to do all this action and moving my fingers, and it always was just messing me up. And by the click of one button, I now can enter. Now, my current orders are, I have my pre-market orders right here, and my market open orders right here. Difference is, on Lightspeed, it's got different commission rates, so I like to have, they're the same orders, just a little bit different. Now, I have buy ask 1,000 to buy ask 5,000. If I show you on this, my other camera's not focusing well. If I show you this, like so, you can see that the top's buy ask 1,000 to 5,000, and the bottom is sell on the bid with a 5 cent a share offset for pre-market trading. Now, going from left to right, I have my cancel button. I cancel my open orders. I have my flatten to the sell side, and I have my flatten to the buy side. Now, I also have a clock right here to tell me when the next 5-minute candle is forming. And then over here, I have my market open orders, and I also have maker and taker orders, which is basically the difference is I'm now selling on the ask as opposed to buying on the ask. I'm providing liquidity as opposed to taking it. And then I also have like a utilities, like mute mic, record button, and I have another page for just some miscellaneous stuff. Now, if you want, if you're an options trader and you only trade, say, Tesla, SPY, and AMD or Nvidia, you can actually have gadgets that keep track of the price on here while you're trading. So there's a lot you can do with trading on a Stream Deck. Hey, now gonna show you something really cool. All I ask for in return is a like on the video and subscribe to my channel. We show that about 70% of you guys viewing this aren't subscribed. I give out some pretty awesome free content. Posted over 300 videos on how to day trade profitably for free. All I ask for in return is for you to subscribe. Alrighty, on to the video. Peace. I'm going to show you what it looks like on the Stream Deck software. Now, you guys can get fancy with it. You guys can change these to be whatever you want. I just made it super simple. All I put was the amount of shares I'm buying or selling, and then what I'm buying on the ask or the bid. And then I created like the flatten one, sell, buy, flatten. I have X for cancel. You guys can create these to however you want. You can have GIFs for all of them. I'm just like a super simple guy. I need something functionable and that I could use right now, and this is what I have. Now I'm going to be changing these to sell a quarter, sell a half, sell 100%, and the buys are going to be buy 1,000, buy 2,500, buy 5,000, buy 10,000, and whatnot. So, because I never just buy 3,000 shares or something like that. Now, in order to create a custom hotkey, all you have to do is click on a page or that you want to edit. So if I wanted to add a hotkey like this, it's super simple. Okay, so you click this, go down to hotkey, drag that over to this like that, and then you can make it look all fancy if you want, whatever you want to do. Gee, I don't know. Sure, for some reason this means reverse order or buy 1,000. Okay, just hang in there with me. And then the click to assign, say your reverse order is Shift J. I don't know. So hold and Shift J, and so every time you click that button, that's going to activate as a Shift J and reverse your order. Now you can change the name of it and change all that stuff. I'm not here to show you guys that. I'm simply here to show you guys the hotkeys. Now once you have that set up, you go over to your broker, and again, I use Lightspeed. They have the best customizable hotkeys in the game. Click this. This is just Lightspeed again. It's gonna be the same for all of them. And then wherever you go to create your custom hotkeys, go to your keyboard. Say I already have my custom orders in here. I go to your keyboard and whatever you have them set at. So if Shift J, I want it to be reverse my order. So I just hold Shift J, and then there's Shift J like that. I can just create the custom key combination, and that's it. But that's how I utilize the Stream Deck. Now I'm going to show you how quick you can enter and exit on these stocks. So I already have shares located to short. If I wanted a short, ticker symbol RIDE, all you have to do is click short or sell 1,000. Okay, so instantly filled. I'm short 1,000 shares. Now I'm doing this for an example. Do I think it's a great short opportunity right here? Probably not. But I'm going to show you guys what happens when you enter and exit on the stock. So again, just pressing this button one more time. Boom, now short 2,000 shares of RIDE. And when I go to lock in profits, okay, up $1.50, I should lock it in here, up $21. So I lock it in here. Oh boy, we're going to the moon, ladies and gentlemen. We'll break below 475 here. There's 479. 465, nice move to the downside, up $281. We'll start to lock in profits here at the $65 range. So when I go to lock in profits, all I have to do is click buy ask. Now I'm going to give this a chance to take below a day because it's $300. It's not a bad trade. All right, decent buy order coming in here at 465. I'm going to liquidate half my position, locked half profit in. Now only holding half my position. And that buy order is going to act as a support. So now I can either click flatten if I want to sell out all of it, but I only have 1,000 shares, so click buy ask, and boom, instantly filled. My position size is 0, and I made about $400 on that. So that's how I use my Stream Deck for day trading, literally clicking the buttons. Now it's not like that every time you click buttons and you're up. You have to use it strategically along with your plans. Use it just like you would be trading anything else or any other way, but this is simply the fastest method I've found to entering and exiting using custom orders and not having to use hotkeys, because like I said, losing $12,000 in one day using hotkeys because my pinky was on shift, not control, kind of sucks. That doesn't happen here. It's color coded. It's only one button you have to keep track of. It's super easy. It's fairly simple, fairly straightforward. If you guys have any questions about setting up your Stream Deck or anything like that, don't hesitate to comment down below or reach out to me via Instagram at JB Trades or TikTok at Profit Chasers, or joining my Discord. Link in the bio, you can DM me there. So if you guys want to pick up one of these for yourself, it's around $160. I would recommend getting the 15 button one because you can have as many pages as you want. I would not recommend getting the 50 button one or 30 button one, whatever it is. That's too much. It's going to be overwhelming. You might as well just use your dang keyboard at that point, okay? It's just too much. And then the 6 button one, I don't think is quite enough. I think it's a little underwhelming. So I think the 15 button one's perfect. I don't regret buying it. Again, you can buy them on Amazon for $130 to $160. I bought the white one because my entire setup's white. But that's about it. If you guys have any questions about creating custom hotkeys or how I use my Stream Deck to day trade, feel free to direct message me at any time. Alrighty, y'all. Catch you in the next video. Peace.